Most people who try to sell ebooks fail, not because ebooks don't work, but because they're doing everything backwards. They spend weeks creating an ebook, they upload it, they wait, and nothing happens. No sales, no traction, no momentum. And then they assume the business model is dead, when in reality they were never shown how to sell in the first place. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Creating an ebook is the easiest part. Selling it is where 99% of beginners collapse. In this video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to build a real ebook business using AI in 2026, the right way. Not spamming low-quality AI books, not guessing topics, and not relying on luck. This is a real system that works if you execute it correctly. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes effort, but it does scale. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose ebook topics that already make money, how to use AI without destroying your credibility, where to publish so sales actually happen, and how this turns into multiple income streams over time. If you're tired of creating things that don't sell, watch this all the way through, because once you understand this framework, everything clicks. One of the most misleading strategies online right now is the idea that you can just generate a 100% AI-written ebook, upload it, and start making money. That's simply not how this works. The reason most AI ebooks fail isn't because AI is bad, it's because people use it lazily. Low-quality books get poor reviews, no recommendations, and eventually die. It doesn't matter where you sell them, Amazon, Etsy, or your own website. Garbage content doesn't sell long-term. High-quality books always win. The goal is not to replace yourself with AI. The goal is to use AI as a tool to speed up research, outlining, and first drafts, while you control the quality, structure, and value. When AI is used properly, readers won't even be able to tell it was involved, and that's exactly what we want. So if you take one thing from this section, let it be this: AI is a multiplier, not a shortcut. And once you understand that, everything else becomes much easier. Step 1. Choosing a profitable ebook topic. Everything starts with choosing the right topic. Before writing anything, you want to do a simple brain dump. List your interests, skills, experiences, and problems you understand better than most people. You do not need to be the world's top expert. You just need to know a bit more than the reader you're helping. The biggest mistake beginners make is choosing topics that are too broad. Broad topics mean more competition and lower chances of success. This is where AI helps. You can ask AI to generate niche ideas inside a larger category, then narrow them down even further. Instead of something generic like fitness, you go specific. Instead of business, you go targeted. The more specific the problem, the easier it is to sell the solution. But ideas alone aren't enough. Before you write a single word, you need proof that people are already buying books on that topic, which brings us to the most important step. Step 2, validating demand on Amazon. Before creating your ebook, you must confirm demand. The best place to do this is Amazon, because Amazon dominates the book market. When people want to buy books online, they don't think of random websites. They think of Amazon. Your job is simple. Search for books in your niche and see if they're already selling. You're not guessing. You're looking for evidence. When you find books with decent rankings and reviews, that tells you something powerful. Money is already flowing in that niche. You're not creating demand. You're tapping into existing demand. If multiple books are selling, that's a green light. And here's an important mindset shift. Competition is not a bad thing. Competition means the market is alive. At this stage, you're not trying to be perfect. You're trying to be strategic. Now, quick reminder, if you're serious about building income streams like this long-term, subscribe and turn on notifications. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel and subscribe to my X account today for exclusive strategies, tools, and support. The link is in the description box in channel bio. Don't miss out. Once demand is validated, then, and only then, do we move into creation. Step 3, creating a high-quality ebook with AI. This is where most people mess things up, so pay close attention. Before writing, you outline the book. Think of the outline as the skeleton. A strong outline makes writing easy and keeps your content focused. Start by reviewing top-selling competitors. Look at their table of contents. Ask yourself what's helpful, what's fluff, and what's missing. Then add your own angle. Once the outline is solid, AI can help you generate first drafts only, not final drafts. From there, your job is to edit, improve, simplify, and personalize the content. Remove fluff, fix formatting, add examples, add stories, even if they're not your personal stories, but relevant ones that drive a point. This is what separates real publishers from people spamming low-quality books. If you skip this step, your book will fail. If you do it properly, your book will stand out. Step 4. Publishing and monetizing properly. Once your book is ready, the best platform to publish on is Amazon KDP. There are no upfront fees. Amazon handles hosting, delivery, payments, and even printing if you choose paperback or hardcover versions. And here's something most people don't understand. Ebooks are just one income stream. You can sell the same content as an ebook, a paperback, a hardcover, an audiobook. That's multiple income streams from one asset. Your goal at launch is not massive sales. Your goal is reviews. Reviews build trust, and trust leads to sales. Once reviews are in place, Amazon's system starts working in your favor. This is where the business becomes powerful. You stop thinking in terms of one book and start thinking in terms of a portfolio. One asset isn't the goal, a system is. Each new book you publish gets better than the last, not by accident, but by design. You choose better topics because you understand the market. Your writing improves because you know what readers respond to. Your covers convert better because you've tested what actually sells. And your marketing becomes more efficient because you're no longer guessing. Over time, income starts to stack. One book turns into several. One format turns into many. One idea expands into multiple income streams. That's when this stops being a side hustle and starts becoming a real digital business. This is how creators scale to thousands per month. Not through luck, not through viral moments, but through repetition, refinement, and compounding progress. And if you want ongoing strategies, updates, and real-time insights as publishing continues to evolve in 2026 and beyond, subscribe and turn on notifications. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel and subscribe to my X account today for exclusive strategies, tools, and support. Links are in the description and channel bio.